You're no one-hit wonder, but it's tough to create fresh copy every week without running out of ideas. And because content plays a vital role in your marketing, you can't afford to take a break every time you get writer's block or outsource your workload to new talent. If only there was a tool that helped you generate and optimize high-quality content faster without exhausting all your creative energy. Introducing Mieux.ai. What is Mieux.ai? Mieux.ai is a content generation and optimization tool that allows you to create SEO-friendly, plagiarism-free content in minutes, generate long-form blog posts, Google Ads, and Facebook ads with the help of AI-powered tools. Alternative to Jasper. Grade content against your competitors, discover trending topics and track competitors' keywords. Best for marketing agencies, small businesses, and entrepreneurs looking to speed up their content creation. Mieux.ai allows you to automatically generate high-quality, long-form blog posts with no word limits using the power of AI. Because you can produce effective long-form content in a fraction of the time, you'll be able to control your SERP rankings better. Plus, you can stop worrying about plagiarism or search engine optimization, because all blog posts are SEO-friendly and completely unique. After generating your long-form blog posts, Mieux.ai also lets you grade your content, so you'll know how well it will perform in the SERPs. Get a content grade ranging from A to F based on the keywords and topics most often used in similar content. This tool even gives you a topic and keyword suggestions for how to improve your content grade, allowing you to boost your search engine ranking with minimal effort. Best of all, Mieux.ai has a keyword research tool embedded in the platform, so you don't need to use other tools to keep tabs on your keywords. You'll be able to research keywords to see competition index, and search volume for keywords and phrases you'd like to rank for. Discover trending topics and keywords that offer great opportunities for you to rank higher on the SERPs. You can even compare multiple keywords at once to understand how their performance has changed over time, letting you make smarter decisions about which keywords to target. In addition to long-form blog posts, you can also create Facebook, Google, and Amazon ads that are optimized for conversions. Use the AIDA model to generate different types of digital marketing content and public relations campaigns. And with the PA formula, you'll even be able to write emails, sales pitches, and product pitches in a way that's proven to appeal to your target audience. Long-form content. The only long-form AI writer in the market which has no word limit. That's right, write a 500-word blog or more than 3,000 plus. The Freestyle Writer gives you the power to direct the content as you want. Premium features. No need to pay extra for third-party SEO tools. At the same price, you get our in-house content grader, topics research, keyword research, and more. All your digital marketing needs in one single platform. User-friendly. The platform is super intuitive and user-friendly to use. You don't need to be a master at SaaS applications. Anyone can start using and generating content right away. Affordable. All the unique features that you need for your digital marketing efforts are bundled up in a single package that lets you do more without being heavy on your pocket. The easy token system lets you generate content flawlessly. Why Mieux is best for you? Mieux.ai offers content creation, optimization, and integration which helps you scale up your productivity so that you can focus more on your business and less on its cost, time, and quality. All-nighters and caffeine may have fueled you in college, but you need a better solution to help you churn out content for your business. Mieux.ai generates amazing long-form blog and ad content for you, so you can execute your content creation strategy on autopilot. Scale up your content in a snap. Get lifetime access to Mieux.ai today. Mieux plans and features. Deal terms and conditions. Lifetime access to Mieux.ai. All future agency plan updates. No codes, no stacking, just choose the plan that's right for you. You must activate your license within 60 days of purchase. Ability to upgrade or downgrade between 3 license tiers. 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to make sure it's right for you. Features included in all plans. All templates. Content optimization. Unlimited keyword research. Unlimited keyword trends. Unlimited trending topics. Unlimited landing page scoring. Download and save. Long-form blog generation. Facebook and Google ad generation. Keyword insertion. AIDA model content generation. PA formula content generation. Amazon ad generation. Title generator. Intro generator. AppSumo offers 2 pricing plans. Pricing number 1. License tier 1. One-time purchase of $79. Pricing number 2. License tier 2. One-time purchase of $159. Pricing number 3. License tier 3. One-time purchase of $299. So why are you late? Get Mieux lifetime access today. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.